What's up, everybody? Just wanted to show you a little something I've been working on. So this is going to be a homemade EMF detector that I 3D printed. As you can see, there's a bunch of cavities here for lights, which I'm waiting on parts and diodes and stuff. Um, these are my on and off switches, and this is for range, like to extend it. Battery cover back here. The print didn't turn out 100% right, but I did a fast print on it, so I'm just going to test it out. If it does work, I'll print a better one later. The box is kind of big compared to what we currently use now, so I don't know. We'll see if I want to do a Raspberry Pi or an Arduino or whatever they call that. Um, we'll just see which one works in there better. But yeah, so far it turned out pretty good. Not looking too terribly bad.